Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the H3C Navigate International Summit 2022. This is QIAO Yan, the Vice President of H3C International Business and the General Manager of the Product and the Marketing. In the next 15 minutes, we will go through an exciting journey of the H3C 4 scenario-based solution. In the past decade, cooperated with global customers and partners, the H3C continues to have keen insight into vertical industrials and improving the digitalization and the intelligence of our product and the solutions. By accelerating the digital infrastructure reconstruction, boosting the digital transformation of a traditional enterprise, and enabling the industrial intelligence application, we will be together to explore the more possibilities. In 2022, we will focus on the 4 scenario-based digital solutions, including the synergy working to redefine the future of work experience, the innovative education to unlock knowledge of a promising future, to efficient healthcare to enable trustworthy medical services, and the reliable public service to explore the infinity of smart cities. Under the disruptive economic and other uncertain factors, resilience is very crucial. It helps enterprise and organization not only survive, but also thrive. The digitalization empowers the organization to be more resilient to quickly prepare for future competitions. Resilient organizations currently are under the multiple trends. For example, organization transformation, working space rebuilding, IT facility innovation, working experience improvement, and security enhancement. Those 5 trends for resilient organizations bring 3 challenges of their IT infrastructure. How to provide SASE for multi-branch interconnection. How to ensure the high performance and the online search of employees' BYOD. How to support effective and seamless interaction among multi-screens like mobile equipment, PCs, and projectors. To meet those challenges, the H3C synergy working solution will provide 3 benefits. The first, the H3C CloudNet, a cloud-based networking management software as a service. The H3C CloudNet offers multi-branch, wide area network interconnecting across the wired and the wireless devices. And second, the H3C networking access control solution include the EAD and the EIA component, which support high performance, high concurrency, security, accessing for mobile terminals. And the third, H3C latest Magic Hub, a smart screen product, make multi-screen interaction easier, and it can inspire more collaborations. Let's talk about the multi-branch office scenario first. Generally, the office located in the different cities and countries. The volume and the types of the terminal devices are numerous. Turns out, the network connection and management are complicated. The H3C CloudNet solution is a network management platform based on the Microsoft Azure public cloud. It provides a SaaS-based unified cloud management solution for wired and wireless devices and on-demand terminal access to typical office applications anytime, anywhere. The H3C CloudNet integrates a software-defined branch solution to provide application-aware traffic steering functionality, which ensure a quality of our key services. It also integrates Zero Trust to provide end-to-end security for the branch networking. In addition, Zero Trust provision and centralized management improve the efficiency of the deployment, operation, and maintenance. With all those advantages, the H3C CloudNet make multi-branch collaboration more efficient and secure. Most of medium and large enterprise and financial organization will multi-branch networking. The interconnection and access security between the headquarters and the branches is a precondition for digital transformation. This year, by leveraging the benefits of a global 5G deployment, the H3C launched a new member of the multi-service router family, the MSR 1000 series 5G branch router, which provide more options for high-quality connecting. The latest MSR 1000 5G router has a maximum 1 gigabits per second performance of IPsec encryption and decryption, 9 megabits per second throughput of IP routing, 18 5G spectrum and 4G LTE backward compatibility, and rock-solid stability under extreme temperature range. In some office and open working space, there are more and more mobile users and devices. There are 3 challenges to the network administration: how to ensure the credibility of network access, how to ensure the consistency of the network access and control policy, and how to ensure security of user and terminals. The H3C ICT software provides flexible network access and a consistent policy as roaming of both wired and wireless users. H3C ICT solution provides real-time security management and protection for terminals in the office network. In H3C, over 16,000 employees and terminals are served by the EIA and the EAD every working days, and the concurrent online user up to 5,000 per minute in rush hour. EIA and the EAD software is not only components of H3C AD campus or IMC solutions, but also interoperate with other popular authentication systems such as Microsoft LDAP, Aruba, ClearPass, and so on. In collaborating working scenarios, it's very important to share the photos, slides, files quickly and easily among the mobile devices like pads, cell phones, PCs, and the terminals, and particularly make sure the information security. H3C Magic Hub integrates the core functions of working appliance, for example, projector, whiteboard, microphone, Hi-Fi, web conference, PC, and TVs. Not only the high-performance hardware, H3C Magic Hub is also both Windows and Android apps fully compatible. This year, we upgrade the H3C Magic Hub with 8K resolution, 8K Ultra Video, and 8K video stream transporting. The H3C Magic Hub is not just a smart screen as well. It's a wonderful solution for presentation, collaboration, brainstorming, and video conferencing. Before the meeting, Magic Hub make an appointment by one click. Automatic reminder, sharing files through the video conference software like the Zoom or Webex. In the meeting, it's easily brought up. With the digital twin technology, you can enjoy the intelligent real-time whiteboard handwriting and the online-offline interacting. The user-friendly meeting experience can greatly optimize the efficiency of the synergy working. After the meeting, Magic Hub has AI-powered meeting minutes, which can sync up and follow up securely. In sum, with the multiple software and hardware combination, the H3 synergy working solution will provide immersive working experience, high performance, high concurrency network access control, efficient and secure cloud-based multi-branch networking and management. It's an edge-to-cloud total solution to light up your working, meeting experience and redefine the future of the work. The world never stops changing, and the education is a basic way for the individuals to deal with the challenges. On the other hand, education is not simply about getting more knowledge. It's about how to provide a reskilling and upskilling opportunity to enable everyone to tackle tomorrow's challenges. Digital technologies are promoting equity in education and providing innovative way of learning. It's run through the classroom, out of school education, to inspire individuals' creativities and shape the future. In 2021, we helped Utah, one of the fastest growth private university in Malaysia, to take a new step in the digital transformation. Let's listen to Dr. Yu, Vice President of the International and Academic Development from Utah, to tell us the story between the Utah and H3C.
University of Guadalajara, Utah is a not-for-profit private university which is established in year 2002 and is owned by the Utah Education Foundation. Utah now have more than 20,000 students in enrollment and so far have graduated over 70,000 students since our first convocation in year 2005. With the first COVID-19 MCO decline in Malaysia in March 2020, we took another step in our digitization transformation process and decided to change our lecture modes from physical to all online classes. We faced some challenges initially, as online lectures was something new for most of our academic staff and students. Okay? And it took them a little bit of time to get used to online lecture environment. I'm glad that all our online classes have been running smoothly since April 2020 with the use of one cloud platform for live lecture delivery and our internal private cloud server for lecture material dissemination. Another digitization challenge we are facing right now is the digital transformation of the physical lab experiments. Okay? As you probably know, most of the lab experiments are meant to be conducted physically in the labs. And my colleagues at Utah are trying to come up with innovative solutions to move some of these experiments virtually online. There have been tremendous increase in data traffic of our internal cloud server. So to cater for this increased data traffic, we have actually increased our internet bandwidth capacity with our internet service provider and also upgraded our internal cloud server and network switches facilities. Cloud and network equipment solution providers like H3C is our partners in our continuous transformation process in providing conducive online learning environment to our students and also to our staff who work remotely from home. We foresee that our digital transformation process will continue in the post-pandemic time, as digitization has actually brought tremendous benefits to us. The H3C solution that Utah deployed consists of four main types of switches, which is the core switch, the server farm switch, the aggregate switch, and the access switch. Okay? It took around 2 weeks' time for the actual installations, implementation, and commissioning of the switches. Our digital transformations in the past 18 months have resulted in an uninterrupted online learning experience for our students, locally and abroad, as far as Mexico. So in addition, it has also enabled our staff to continue their work remotely using our hybrid cloud platform. So as a result of this, our university has been operating smoothly for the past 18 months with minimum interruption. H3C have been very actively supporting us in our campus network switches and infrastructure that allow us to have a smooth operations for our students and staff in the past 18 months. We are very grateful and also about the responsiveness of the H3C whenever there is a request from us for support. They respond very fast and very friendly services. Yes, so we are very happy with that.
In the age of information, although there had been some achievement of ICT enabling, however, because of incomplete digitalization, the updating and acquisition of knowledge are still slow and difficult. In many schools, teaching activities are boring. Simple way communication from teachers to students, the knowledge transfer is efficient. The broad using of desktop PC recently caused high capex, OPEX, and failure rate. At the same time, teaching and learning data cannot be centrally managed. Information property and copyright risk are more explicit. For the expertise in the education in the past years, the H3C is thinking the future of digital school will be digitalization, brings low cost and efficient knowledge acquisition to help to achieve the education equity. Digitalization can ensure a secure and managed way to store and share the knowledge on the cloud. Digital-based paperless education will broadly deployed in the future. And the last, digital twins provide a simplified and affordable education IT facility. The H3C Learning Space is a cloud-oriented digital education solution. This solution is not only integrated the apps of learning management system with our partners, but also based on the highly integrated private cloud IT facilities, including the Cloud OS, an OpenStack-derived cloud operating system, the OneStore, the H3C property software-defined storage solution, the CAS, the market-proven computing virtualization, and the unified operation and management. On the layer of the digital teaching and learning, the H3C VDI and the VOI hybrid architecture, which offers Windows and Linux fully compatible desktop virtualization. On the layer of the IT facilities, the H3C offers powerful rack servers, easily deployed Wi-Fi networking, and the Magic Hub, the smart screen. The H3C Learning Space has been widely deployed on the multiple digital education scenarios, web teaching, real-time examinations, and high-performance graphic workstations. It offers the option for paperless education to propagate the knowledge to every corner of the world. It offers a full HD visual experience with Magic Hub and Sync terminals. It's desktop PC friendly, offer benefit to simply leverage the legacy PC to experience the latest software, UIs, and higher performance. It put everything in one box, easily installed, quickly brought up, and simply debugging. The teacher or IT engineering need no professional expertise to run all the system. It also put the digital knowledge on cloud without any concern about copyright and the property risk. Let's take a 1,000 desktop PC teaching and learning scenario as an example. Compare with the TCO and the traditional digital education system, the H3 Learning Space, a neural cost saving up to the $200,000 and a total $1 million in a 5 years life cycle. At the column on the right hand, OPEX will reduce up to the 88%, as CAPEX only increase 19%. In total life cycle, the TCO will be as lower as 53%. This is a very significant cost saving by technical innovation. With the deployment of the multimedia and the digital education, mobile terminals owned by the students and the teachers are burst. Data traffic are also risen sharply. How to build a simple, efficient, and intelligent wireless network is one of the biggest challenges to the school campus digital infrastructure. Wi-Fi 7 uses the 6 GHz spectrum and 4K COM encode-decode algorithm. It provides a higher performance but much lower cost than 5G. In April, H3C launched the first Wi-Fi 7 wireless AP, maximum of the 16 by 16 MU MIMO, up to the 400 peak concurrency sessions, 46 gigabits per second maximum negotiable rate, maximum 320 megahertz channel bonding, and as lower as 5 microsecond low latency. This brings the highest performance and connectivity ever happened in the Wi-Fi technology history. Compared with the Wi-Fi 6 and the Wi-Fi 6E, the Wi-Fi 7 provides more reliability, higher speed, and secure wireless service in library, classrooms, dormitories, and other massive terminals scenario to boost academic connectivity. From the age of the Wi-Fi 4 to Wi-Fi 6E and the Wi-Fi 7 today, the power consumption and the density of the access point are keeping increasing. How to deal with the high power supply to aware this IP and the total core power capacity for more APs. This challenge to access PoE switch. At the same time, as the total power of the PoE switch getting higher and higher, how to deal with the cooling and the noise of access PoE switch is another challenge. In 2022, to offer the best performance and fix the challenge of the PoE power, cooling, and the noise problem, the H3C launched S5130S series, the switch of silence. It has 370 watt total PoE power and maximum 90 watt single port PoE plus power capabilities. With fanless design, its running noise of the S5130S is only 29 dB, which is under the human's oral, and reducing 12% of power consumption. The combination of the H3C learning space, private cloud infrastructure, robust H3C Wi-Fi 6 and Wi-Fi 7 APs, and the switch of silence. It is the best practice to pledge a digital-based innovative education solution for anyone at anywhere at any time to unlock knowledge for a promising future. The epidemic has impacted public medical services and people's life worldwide. Eventually, it will be gone, but efficient medical services will continually affect the development of human societies. In the past few years, H3C has helped the digital transformation of many hospitals with partners globally. The healthcare scenarios, for example, medical services, biological science research is always the most important solution that H3C has been working on with digital technologies. By the H3C point of view, in the three major scenarios of the medical industry, outpatients, inpatient, and asset management, preliminary digital transformation has been built 6 irrelevant systems, HIS, CIS, PSCS, EMR, and so on, and separate storage requirement, which cause 5 major pain points: overlap investment and low utilization, difficult in scalability, complicated operation and maintenance, slow business launch, new technology unfriendly, and hard to be upgraded based on the legacy digital platform. The H3C UIS7, a HCS solution, provides the best practice for fixing those 5 pain points. The first, all cloud stack in one box. It integrates ICT functions like computing, storage, networking, security, cloud operating system, and virtualization, all in one boxes. The second integrates multiple types of storage, for example, file, block, and object storage. The third, H3C UIS optimizes the investment in hardware resources and improves the utilization with high-density computing storage design. The fourth, it integrates the intelligent O&M to simplify the operation and the maintenance of all cloud stack. The last, it is a cloud-native architecture, provide openness and compatibility for SaaS applications of medical services. H3C UIS has a robust product portfolio. SMB-oriented UIS 3000 series, HPC-oriented UIS 6000 series, and blade computing architecture, highly integrated, provide cloud-oriented UIS 9000 series. Those UIS family fulfill various scalability, performance, and TCO requirements. The H3C UIS 7.0 delivers high reliability, extreme performance, AI, big data, cloud computing-friendly architecture, on-demand scalability, and simplified management. It improved performance and reliability by using new technologies such as all-flash resource pool, RDMA, RDB, DRX, hot migration, agentless antivirus. Compared to the legacy HCI product and solution, H3C UIS serves as a cost-effective IT platform. It improves 61% IT efficiency, optimizing 60% CapEx and OpEx with all-in-one box architecture and a compact hardware design. It reduced 80% installation and deployment working time. H3C UIS 7, a HCI solution, provides a collaborative infrastructure with its shared, secure, and green, and responds to ever-changing business need with a constant structure to effectively enable trustworthy medical services. When suffering from the public emergencies and natural disasters, efficient and reliable public services is always the fundament to protect people's health and lives. With the development of the digital transformation, there are several challenges that every CIO and the public sectors need to focus on and work it out. How to improve the public service efficiency, how to reduce operation and maintenance costs, and how to deal with unpredictable cyber attack. Now, let's get connected with our customers from the NITB in Pakistan to introduce how they did to improve the public service efficiency with the support from the H3C.
Auzubillahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome to National Information Technology Board. NITB was established in August 2014 to address the ICT and information technological operational challenges for all federal government, ministries and departments of Government of Pakistan. NITB has a mission to provide the access to the government departments with information on a one click and to become the more efficient and using digital technology with antiquated support. And today we are not only providing basic infrastructure but also the infrastructure as a service and software as a service for all the ministries such as e-governance program, centralized ERPs, CRM, mobile applications, data centers, etc. With the development of our cloud platform, we are quite satisfied and proud to announce that NITB has contributed its own value to digital Pakistan. NITB has established a state-of-the-art data center which is used for the staging environment for the customized application, which includes development, QA, security testing and UAT. In this cloud era, technology is evolving rapidly. OEM ability usually decide how timely they can add features in their solution, such as higher performance, supporting various type of storage. There are various solutions available in the market. We were looking for a solution which are effective and local OEM support is available. For this, we have evaluated multiple HCI solutions and we come up with a mix and match solution which are compatible with each other, like hardware and software both. Stability of a system, especially when there are virtual storage and virtual machines being involved as a core component of the solution. We have tested the compatibility of H3C products with other brands and found satisfactory result and become the first H3C HCI reference in Pakistan. It took a bit longer time to get the satisfactory result, such as technical evaluation and product demonstration, specifically storage and performance stability. And then we agreed to use one pilot set for H3C HCI solution in our data center with complete hardware and software. In future, we are planning to expand the big data analysis ability by using their object storage and other cloud solution in the future. H3C UIS solution team supported us in all phases, from development, deployment, and to train the technical staff which help us in operating. We are very grateful to the swift response of H3C local team whenever there is a specific query from our side, which gives us more confidence to build a long-term healthy relationship.
In preliminary digital transformation, the multiple IT system of the public service, such as ONA, public servant management, and the resilient services, has been built for a dedicated purpose on isolated ICT data and infrastructure, irrelevant security standard and policy. Turns out, it causes worse residential experience, higher public OPEX, and uncertain cybersecurity problem. With decades of experience in the digitalization and smart cities, the H3C and our customers aligned that the hybrid cloud based on same technologies stack is the only way of digital transformation. As the figure showing on right hand, this is the generally accepted framework of the smart city ICT infrastructure. The first, probably build various public services on the private and the public cloud is the identical cloud stack and infrastructure. Same DevOps tools, same apps, same database, same data structure. Shared storage, same security policy, and flexible, scalable infrastructure. The second, with high performance, high reliability metro or interstate backbone transportation, connecting various public sectors, for example, public office, town hall, community, and the contractor's office to the cloud, and the backup data center for the redundancy. The third, have all those SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS system managed and secured by the identical O&M and the cloud-based security services. The H3C intelligent digital platform has already well prepared for these technical and requirement trends, offer the solutions from the edge to cloud, from the hardware to software, and from product to the services. H3C Cloud and Intelligent Platform provide public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud solution. It includes a set of H3C property cloud-oriented technologies, data platform for the PaaS, OpenStack-derived cloud OS, software-defined storage and virtualization. The H3C active security solutions include Zero Trust, Firewall, IPS, IDS products, offer global security protection for ICT system of smart cities. The H3C U-Center solutions, the unified operation and maintenance platform, provides cloud, networking, computing, and security, fully management capability, agile delivery, all demand converged, application-oriented diagnosing and login. The H3C digital infrastructure provides the worldwide leading ICT network and computing product. Especially the H3C Conver networking operating system has been evolving over 18 years. It has the most robust routing, switching, and security feature sets of the whole industrials, and support over 85 million network devices online today. As the leader in the digital solutions, The H3C fully upgraded all those 4 platforms in the 2022. In the typical ICT scenarios, H3C's solution can help the customer reduce 20 to 40% power consumptions, 20 to 30% rack space, increase 40% operation efficiency as well. During our journey toward a better life, the science and the technologies are critical. The technical innovation is the root that provides the nutrients to the tree of the scenario-based solution. The ICT ecosystem is the sunlight that is indispensable to the digital world. Forests flourish only when the roots go deep into the soil and the sun shines on the earth. Ladies and gentlemen, customers and partners, let's work together, build an intelligent and green digital future. Thank you.